This 4TB SSD is freakishly fast. Fantom drives Thunderbolt 3 review. Is it worth the hype? You're trying to edit 4K video, transfer massive files, or launch your favorite game, but your drive's crawling like it's stuck in 2008. Lag. Stutters. Spinning wheels of doom. You've spent more time waiting than working. Your internal storage is gasping for space, and that old external drive? It's practically useless. Every time you plug it in, you're rolling the dice. Feeling blocked, frustrated, and low-key defeated by tech that's supposed to save time? Yeah, we've been there. But what if the right storage device actually fixed all that? Now imagine deadlines crashing down, footage lost mid-transfer, corrupted game installs, and your MacBook fan screaming like it's prepping for liftoff. Sound familiar? Every moment wasted on a laggy drive eats away at your creative momentum, or worse, your paycheck. Missed delivery times, constant re-renders, and forced reboots kill productivity. You could upgrade, but to what? Most high-speed drives fail under pressure or lack the ports you need. If you're done babysitting your storage and ready for serious performance, buckle in, this might be the one. Enter the Fantom drive's 4TB Thunderbolt 3 SSD, TB3X2300 in 4TB, a blazing fast, rock-solid external SSD with read speeds up to 2,800 MB per second, and write speeds at 2,300 MB per second. This beast eats massive video files for breakfast and spits out lag-free performance for lunch. Whether you're gaming, rendering, or transferring terabytes of data, it's built to handle it all. Intel certified, Mac ready, and plug and play with Thunderbolt 3 and 4, and USB-C devices, it delivers power without drama. Encased in a slick aluminum shell with passive cooling, no fans, no noise, this is pro-level performance with zero fuss. Want portable, high-density storage that just works? This is your next no-compromise upgrade. So, why's everyone talking about it? It's not just the speed, though 2,800 MB per second will make your jaw drop. It's the consistency. Silent operation. Compact size. And that sweet, cool-to-the-touch aluminum body. Reviewers rave, no hiccups even with huge 4K timelines, and games load instantly. Seriously, it's wild. It works flawlessly with M1, M2, and M3 Macs, and doubles as a boot drive. Creators, editors, and tech pros call it the drive I didn't know I needed. From backup warriors to live production pros, this SSD delivers. Plus, that 4 terabytes of TLC NAND means you're set for long-haul reliability. Still skeptical? Watch as we stress test this monster with live video editing, heavy file dumps, and gaming sessions. Spoiler alert! It doesn't flinch. Ready to see why this drive might just be your new favorite piece of gear? Ready to ditch the lag and go full speed ahead? Buy the Fantom drive's 4 TB Thunderbolt SSD now, before they vanish from shelves. Limited stock, and trust us, content creators are scooping these up fast. Join the thousands already leveling up with smoother workflows, faster game loads, and zero thermal throttling. Whether you're on Mac, PC, or somewhere in between, act now, secure yours today, and feel the upgrade from the first click. Say goodbye to bottlenecks. Say hello to blazing fast performance. Seize this speed. Own the moment.